Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Last time we have studies about the photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis is used for the making the glucose in the plants. The mechanism of the photosynthesis occur in the many ways. Photosynthesis occur in the two phases. It means it has the two events in the photosynthesis. During the first phase, the light is captured and it is used to make the high energy molecules of like the NADP and NADPH and the ATP. As we read about the ATP is the adenosine triphosphate. These reactions, which are now as the light reaction because it is take place in the light of the sun, so it is called the light reaction. Take place on the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. During the second phase of the carbon dioxide is reduced to make the glucose because the carbon dioxide used in the making the glucose for the plant. This phase the energy from high energy molecule ATP and NADPH is utilized that are make in the light reaction. Since these reactions do not use the light directly, so they are now as the dark reaction. The dark reaction take place in the stroma of the chloroplast and chloroplast find in the leaves and the mesophyll cells. In this process, we see the sunlight. The sunlight pours on the chloroplast. The light reaction take place on the thylakoids of the membrane. Water is used in this process, and in this process, oxygen is produced as the byproduct, and all this process occur in the chloroplast. And so, in the light reaction, two kinds of energy is produced. High energy molecule is ATP and the high energy molecule of NADPH. These both molecules, high energy molecule is used in the dark reaction when the sun is when the sunlight is not used because this process occur in the night time. So the plants use the carbon dioxide and use their sugar as a high energy molecule. In this box, we look at the NAD. What is the NAD? NAD is the nicotinide yeah, adenine dinucleotide is the coenzyme that take electron and the hydrogen ion and is thus reduce the NADH. One form of the coenzyme also carries the phosphate with it, so it is called the NAD and P. P show the phosphate bond here. Now we study about the light reaction. This is the very important in the light reaction. The summary of the it is the summary of the events that are occur in the light reaction is as follows. First of all, when the chlorophyll molecule absorb the light, their energy level increase and their electron are emitted. Uh, in the presence of light because the glucose is formed. So the first step of the plant mesophyll cell and the stomata to observe the light from the sunlight. So the second step is the electron or past electron transport chain to produce the ATP. ATP is the high energy molecule. It is also called the adenosine triphosphate. Light also breaks the water molecule by the photolysis and the oxygen is released in this process. The hydrogen atom of water given the electron to the chlorophyll and become the ion. So the electron of the chlorophyll after the production of ATP and the hydrogen ion of the water are used for the reduction of NADP as we know as the NADP. What is the NADP? Into the NADPH. As we know, the chlorophyll molecule emitted the electron on the electron transport chain. So electron transport chain show here, and after the electron transport chain, chlorophyll molecule convert into the high energy molecule like a NAD and NADP and NADPH, and also in the ATP. Now, the topic of mechanism of the photosynthesis and their two phases is completed here.